have stopped here at the side of the road to look at this road cut, and I see a cool little ecchi right here. Can you see that guy right there? Right there in the middle of the screen. Look at that. You can see the heart shape. You can see just a little bit of his petaloid there. His test's a little fractured there. Got some dirt on the back. Well, that's more than dirt. That's matrix. But that is a cool little find. I love that. If you love it, you should hit that subscribe button and follow along. Fossil hunting Oklahoma road cuts. I guess I got a little echinoid nest here. Look at this. Here's another one right here. We turn this over, we're going to see that heart. And we'll clean him up. I bet we see his petaloid on there too. Check this out right here. See this guy right here? See that little heart shape and that smooth symmetry? I'm going to bet when we turn this over we can see his petaloid. I might have lost that bet. We'll wash the dirt off and see, because his test is pretty messed up there on the front. But that is an echinoid. How cool is that? That's really not looking that bad for 100 million years old. Well, I'm not sure what to call these guys. I think they're just root casts, but they're pretty cool. There's one. Here's another one right here I just pulled out of the ground. Check that guy out. People are literally driving by this every day. I am betting that we've got a little ammonite right here. Yep. See that curve? You can just make out some ridges in there. A little better on this side. Yep, that's a little ammonite nugget. So this is pretty cool. I got 3 different bivalves right here in one spot. So I got this little pectinid, this little scallop right here. That one is very cool. Very cool. It's a nice little oyster shell. Also, very, very cool. Then I've got this bivalve right here. This clam. Check this guy out. Come on now, work with me. How cool is that? He's intact, his valves are attached. I see another ecchi right here. Can you see him in there? He's got a little dirt on the front, but you can see his test. He's standing out really well. Got that heart shape. Very nice little ecchi. I don't know how good that is. We'll flip him over there. Back's pretty well preserved. This is probably one of the better echinoids I found at this site. Very nice. So this has been a pretty good stop here. I found 7 or 8 things in a matter of just 10 minutes. That's pretty cool. You know, in this era of privatization, road cuts are still an accessible place to find interesting stuff. But you got to be smart about it, right? You got to get your vehicle off the road and be safe. If it's not a safe place to stop, don't stop there. Keep your head on a swivel. Don't get in the way of oncoming traffic, and be smart about how you move. You know, you don't want to lose your balance and fall out into the roadway or something. The bottom line is, if you can't do it safely, or if it's just too busy, don't stop. All right. Hopefully I've earned your subscription. If I have, man, punch that subscribe button and follow along with us on the next one. We'll see what the Earth's got to show us tomorrow.